Norris Farms is located in the beautiful Umpqua Valley.
This is our packing house. This is where we pack over 5 million pounds of blueberries every year. So freshness is key when you're doing fresh blueberries and if you want to maintain good quality. So for us, once the blueberries are picked, they're typically packed and shipped within a day and a half. Once the blueberries are picked out in the field, they're poured into flats. Those flats are collected on pallets and those trailers are brought into our packing facility. They come in through our pre-cooler, which is set at 44 degrees to bring the blueberries down to a nice temperature, which preserves the quality and makes them easier for packing. Once they're at that temperature, we bring them out to our packing house floor. We run them through our sorting lines. We have 2 optical sorters. Each berry is passed under a camera. We're slowly rotating. 24 pictures are taken of every single blueberry and they're sorted by size, shape, color, softness, if they have any damage, and then we can dictate what outlet they go out of and collect them so we can do very specific packs for customers, and it really helps us maintain a high level of quality. And we have 3 manual lines that we sort blueberries on. Once the blueberries are sorted, we recollect them into our flats. They go back into the pre-cooler to get back down to that nice temperature of 44 degrees. And once they're back down to 44 degrees, we bring them back out into our packing house floor to be packed. We currently have 6 packing lines and 1 top seal line. We keep our facility at 55 degrees. It helps preserve the quality and the freshness of the blueberries to get the best shelf life that we possibly can. Once the blueberries are packed, they go back to our back coolers, which are at 34 degrees, where they await to be loaded into trucks and shipped all over the world. Norris Farms is a family company. It was started by my father, it's being continued by his daughters, and we're so excited to keep expanding and growing. We're looking for more land so we can plant more fields, expand our packing house. We are so proud that our family was able to create this blueberry empire.